kanina kasi sa nabutan ko yung mall show nyo. Nung sinabi mo, James, na marami kayong kissing scenes, nagtilian yung mga fans. So parang tingin nyo, ready na rin talaga yung mga fans sa medyo mature na role na gagampanan nyo ngayon. Then tingin nyo nag-mature na rin yung mga fans nyo kung pagbabago ng image nyo ngayon.
I think it's time to take it to the next level. I'm sure they're used to seeing the typical rom-com, so we want to do something different, something more dangerous, I guess.
Daring
or daring.
Different to other love teams compared to other love teams.
I guess not necessarily like different to other love teams, but like something that's more real, something that's more raw. And more true to life for us. And like I believe that po kasi like the generation now, they're also starting to be more open-minded about a lot of things, and like they're starting to embrace about like what's happening now and kung ano yung mga bago. I mean, they're not fearless na mo ngayon yung ano eh. Oo. Mas fearless na po kasi sila ngayon eh.
So yun na, segue ko na yung tanong, ano ba, can you describe the relationship ng mga millennials? Kamusta? Ano ba ang relasyon ng mga millennials? Millennial couples?
I guess, it depends sa tao. Kasi, ang relationship naman po kasi parang ano po yun eh. Merong, per couple, meron silang sarili-sariling choices.
Saving na rin ba? Or mas, sa inyo, in your case, mas conservative ba? Or nandun pa rin yung pagiging conservative? Or mas steady? In your case?
Like in our case?
Yes. Well, kasi just mga millennials na rin kayo, yung millennial couples. So, how do you describe the relationship?
Our relationship is like very open-minded. Like we're open to new things, and it's just
kayo yung tipong...
Yeah.
Kayo yung tipong kanya-kanya
I don't see myself as a millennial actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the generation now, ano yung relationship ngayong generation?
I don't know.
That's kind of hard to answer because I think it depends on like the couple.
Well, in your case?
In our case, we're open-minded.
Kayo yung tipo nga na bayad, hindi kayo na conservative, no? Kanya-kanya kayo cheap ng mga bills, gano'n, tipong gano'n, pag lumalabas kayo, may mga gano'n ba? Gano'n naka-open?
So we don't really mind kung like, because someone more, like what you said, it doesn't really matter to the both of us.
Hindi siya. Okay, sorry nga medyo, singit ko na rin itong tanong. I hope you don't mind. Kasi sa relationship ba ngayon, importante ba ang sex? Na ngayon?
I think that's kind of a sensitive question. Sorry po. I would rather not answer.
Ikaw, James.
Pass.
Okay. So, if ever na mag-hit na, hopefully ka, mag-hit ka Never Not Love You, mas daring na ba ang susunod yung gawin? Since nag-elevate na kayo to another level, mas open na ba kayo or mas mapangahas pa than compared dito sa gagawin sa movie nyo ngayon?
I think as we get older, yeah, we want to try new things. I'm super excited to do a superhero movie next and other things, but right now I'm happy with my role here. It's, I guess, really pushing the limits.
Same. Not necessarily daring, not necessarily more mapangahas, but we're really excited to try out new roles. Kasi like finally for this time, this is not rom-com. So, my next project naman po is more on thriller, suspense. So, mas excited po kami na mag-try ng something new.
So yun naman, di ba, medyo fantasy naman. Okay. last na lang, paano kayo mag-celebrate ng anniversary nyo? Mga ganyan, anong pwede nyo ma-share sa amin? Yung mga moments nyo na kayo as couple.
Ang importante na naman po na we're together. So, hindi naman po importante sa amin yung kung saan or kung ano pong gagawin namin. Basta magkasama
Or
namin.
giving gifts, gano'n, wala.
Hindi naman po masyado. Mas gusto po namin talaga yung magkasama kami when we celebrate.
Quality time. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.